सब यूट्यूब राधे राधे सभी को। कैसे हैं आप सब? मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा। सो गाइस, मैं जा रही हूँ कॉलेज और मेरे कॉलेज का आउटफिट है, ये देख रहे हैं आप जो है वो है। तबीयत का अपडेट दें तो कल मैं कॉलेज नहीं गई थी ड्यू टू माई हेल्थ कंडीशंस। आई वॉज नॉट वेल, आई एम नॉट वेल एक्चुअली। सो या हर दिन आपको व्लॉग शुरुआत में यही सुनने मिल रहा है, आई एम नॉट वेल, आई एम नॉट वेल, हर 2 दिन के बाद।
कल तो बहुत ज़्यादा तबीयत
कल तो आई वॉज लाइक ड्राउंड टू बिल्कुल एंड. That's why I was like, I cannot just go to college, or I cannot even go to office to my work and all, whatever I do. So even my collaboration videos are in pending. I was not having 1% of the himmat even to record for any of the collaboration videos. I have been waiting for me to get well so that I could shoot even a thing, but no, it was not possible. That's why I didn't even vlog. But you guys won't be able to notice that I didn't vlog because vloggers are very smart and they split vlogs accordingly. So guys, आज I'm feeling a bit of little bit well. That's why I'm just going to college. Let's see how it goes. If I won't be feeling that good, I'll return back to home. Anybody wouldn't question me that why are you back home. And I'm not just well physically, I'm not well even mentally. I mean, there is a lot going on, and some things are not just expressed in front of camera, and it's better to kept back behind the camera. So, sacrifice guys, it's okay, it is life. And this is what I'm wearing today. I'm just keeping the outfit really simple because I cannot just get ready when I'm not well. So I still don't even have 1% of the himmat to just go to college. But I mean, it's been 3 days, so now I have to go to college. I mean, it was Sunday, Monday I took off, and Tuesday I took off. So it's almost been 3 days that I had not gone to college. So yeah, that's why I'm just going to college. Even though I don't even have himmat to go to college. But still I'm going to college. Because I have to, you know. If I'll miss 3 days, I have already missed 3 days of college. So if I'll be missing 2 or 3 more, I will be feeling an inferior species in college then. People won't even recognize who I am. Today's vlogging is all in English. I mean, I started vlogging in English. I'll be ending vlogging in English only.
तो क्या हो गया?
Yeah.
सबको समझ आती है.
Exactly. But most of the audience is from US, you know. I just saw. Yesterday only I just saw that most of the audience.
राधे राधे सभी को.
Radhe Radhe. Yesterday only I just saw on my what do we say, YouTube studio, and most of the audiences is from USA, Canada, and like the ratio for Indians and them are just equal only. There isn't a difference between them and us. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Why the amount of energy I'm putting in vlogging, the 1% I'm not having. But yes, if I'll make myself feel comfortable and I'll make myself feel that I am good and I am like healthy, then I will be healthy. I am healthy, yes, I am good, I'm fit. I got to know Dadu's sankalp even ekdam se, that he should feel that I am healthy, I'm happy, my place is heaven. So
आप पहले थोड़ा रस खा लो या बिस्किट खा लो, फिर एक गोली खा लो, फिर चाय ला दो.
oh my god, how can I even breathe? So guys, कैब बुक हो गई है और मैं 2 मिनट में कॉलेज जा रही हूँ. आपको अपने साथ लेके चलते हैं कॉलेज और देखते हैं हमने कॉलेज में क्या किया. Let's go. I thought that I would be vlogging in all English today, but it's like this is my favorite dialogue and I have been using this for more than a year now. So I'll be using these dialogues only. Like, I'm going to college, let me take you guys to college. इसमें वाइब नहीं आएगी. तो गाइस, मेरी कैब आ गई और इवन कैब वाले भैया का फ़ोन आ गया कि हम लोकेशन पर आ गए हैं. अरे बाइज ध्यान से जाना। क्या कह रहे हो? हाँ जी ले ली।
ध्यान से वापस
देख अरे आई सी भाई। अरे यार क्या से पिनाया है, क्या भरा है?
कुछ भी नहीं भरा मैंने, सब ध्यान से।
जाके देखूंगी, जो एक्स्ट्रा का फेंक दूंगी।
बाय
बाय, ख्याल रखना। जीवे अरे कैब कहाँ है भाईजान? Where is the cab bro? Oh, cab is इतनी पीछे bro. Three 846. Boys, I'm in cab and I'm moving to college. Let's go. I don't know. It's like when I wake up, I wasn't well. Even I'm not well right now also. But the moment I'm heading towards college, I feel so energetic and I feel like I'm getting better. So I prefer going to college. I mean, yeah. I didn't went to college yesterday, day before, and day before it was enough. So yeah, I mean, going to college makes me happy. Matlab, I got the next kind of energy that I should get. This is the only reason I went to school for 14 years straight. That whenever I was unwell, when I used to go to school, I used to feel, good. Guys, I've reached. It's been almost 3 days I'm here, and yeah, freshers are also here. I mean, what? The college changed. All the freshers are here. हमारे लिए तो लगाना ही था इनसे ये. I mean, college looks so भरा भरा. So bhara bhara. I mean, just look at this. Now it looks cool. I mean, yeah. The guys out there are standing and checking out girls. Sorry, bros. You can just not check out girls standing on the gate, and better don't mess with mass comm students. Then you'll get to know what we are. I mean, haha. The senior most batch of yours. Guys, I didn't attend college for about 2 days, and orientation day. So ये सब हो गया है college में, and I missed all of them. And this vibe check is my photo. I mean, I vlog and I missed this. Anyways, let's just switch on the AC so that ठंडी ठंडी हवा can come and cool my दिमाग. That is required so much. Wow. एकदम से ना AC ऑन करते पे बारिश की खुशबू आई. बारिश की खुशबू क्यों आ रही? Anyways. Already on it. Let's see how the day goes. I don't have any expectations with the day. Bro, I was passing by and I got my photo. Wow.
क्या बात है तेरी?
हाँ सो गाइस मैं घर आ गई थी। घर आने के बाद मेरे को इतने चक्कर आ रहे थे, इतने चक्कर आ रहे थे कि मैं क्या बताऊं। मैं फिर सो गई।
इस स्किट के द्वारा हम सबके समक्ष पेश करें
और अब मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है बताने के लिए। आज मेरा ना व्लॉग गया है ना ही मेरा शॉर्ट डला है।
आपके इस क्राइटेरिया के हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि
सब कल आएगा दोस्तों। मैं मतलब मेरे हिम्मत ही नहीं है, मेरे बस की सी नहीं है। मेरे को कपड़े भी बदलने हैं, मेरे को इतने। ओह गॉड, I am surrounded with such kind of people who will come to your DMs fighting over a follow or unfollow on some of the social media apps. Guys, come on, you are adults, you have your brain. Don't act like a 5-year-old kid. That bro, you took my pencil. Oh my god, you cannot do so. If you took my pencil, then I'll also take yours. Come on, guys. If you aren't mature, at least act mature. Grow up, kids, grow up. तो गाइस डिनर हो गया है डन और हमारी दिनचर्या हो गई है पूरी। अब करेंगे व्लॉग को एडिट एंड जाएंगे सो। दैट इज इट फॉर टुडे गाइस। होप यू लाइक माय टुडेस व्लॉग। डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, दैट इज दिवांशी चोपड़ा व्लॉग्स. Follow me on Instagram, that is diva_chopra_ and follow me on Snapchat, that is divanshi241. परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाना है, इस चैनल को 5 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स तक लेके जाना है। अगर इस चैनल पर नया है तो फटाफट से लाइक कर दीजिए एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। इट्स मी साइनिंग ऑफ एंड यू नो दैट आई लव यू ऑल.
These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.